Welcome students. Today we will start the topics approximate value of the square roots of natural numbers which are not perfect square. So first see the example. Find the square root of 3 up to the 3 decimal place. Square root of of 3 up to 3 decimal place. 3 decimal places. So question is that find the square root of 3, where 3 is not a perfect square number. Now up to 3 decimal place. So we make the 3 decimal place, means make the 4 pair of 0 after decimal. 4 pair. If question is 3 decimal place, then make 4 pair of the zeros. So square root of 3. Now here 3.0000. Here is 1 pair, second pair, third and 4 pair. Here now 3. Now here is first digit is 3. 1 times, make subtraction, 3 minus 1 2, 1 plus 1 2. Here after 1 make decimal, here decimal. Now second pair of zeros. Now 2 divided by 20, 2 tens are 20, means if we make the 10, then that become 210 more. So go to 7 time, 7, here 7 7 ja 189, made subtraction 11. Now 7 plus 7 24. Now next pair is 0. Now divide, 3 3 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. Make subtraction, 71. 3 plus 3 3. Now second pair. Now 3 2 ja 6, 2, here 2, 2 2 ja 4, make subtraction, now here 2 plus 2 4 3. Now 1 pair. Now if divide by 17, suppose that this is go to 1 times become more than 17,600, so this goes to 0 time and 0, and that value become 0. And now here 0. Now the square root of 3 become 1.7320. that value is equal to square root of 3 is equal to 1.7320. This is question that up to 3 decimal place. So square root of 3 1.732. This is up to 3 decimal places. Now second, see more one example. Find the square root of 2 whole 1 by 5. 2 whole 1 by 5. Second example, find the square root of 2 whole 1 by 5 up to 2 decimal place. 2 decimal places. So first calculate 2 whole 1 by 5. Its value is 11 by 5. Now in decimal form 2.2. So calculate the square root of 2.2 up to the 3 decimal place. Now 3 decimal place, 2 decimal place. So we make the 3 pair of the zeros. 2 decimal place. 1. Question is 2 decimal place. So make 3 pair. 1 pair, second and third. Here is 2. Now calculate its square root. First 2 1 time 1, make subtraction 1, here 1 plus 1 2. Now after 2, that is decimal, make decimal, and second pair 20. Now this goes to 4 time 4, here is 96. Now 24, here 4 plus 4 8 2. Now next pair is 0 0. Here divide by 2, 24 goes to 8 time. Here 8, here 8. Its value become 8 8 ja 64 4 6 carry 8 8 ja 64 6 70 0 7 8 2 ja 16 7 23. Make subtraction here. 96. Now here 8 plus 8 16 9 2. Now next 0 is this. Now 2 4 ja 8, means we go to 3 times. Here 3, 3 9 ja 8889. Now make subtraction 1 1, here 7. Now square root of 2.2, square root of 2.2, this value is 1.483. Now question is that up to 2 decimal place. So square root of 2.2 is 1.48. This is up to 2 decimal places. Now next, square root of non-perfect square numbers by estimation method. Estimation method. Which method? Estimation method. Now see the example. Find the square root of 10 by estimation method. Find the square root of 10 by estimation method. Method. So see carefully example. First we see that 10 nearer to the perfect square number. Write down the perfect square number which are nearer to the 10. Now perfect square number near to 10. Near to 10, first 9 and second 16, means 10 is 9 and 16, means 10 is greater than 9 but less than 16, means 10 square of 3 and less than square of 4, means square root of 10 lie between 3 and 4. Now we adjust the 10 between 3 and 4. So here value of 3 increased from 3, and here 4 decrease 4. Here this value of 3 is increases. So first 3.3, here square of 3.3, 3.3, calculate 1, means 10 is 3.1 square and its value is 9.61. Now next, here 3.5, square of 3.5, this is 3.5 square is 12.25, means this is less than 3.5 square. Now second, here again we increase the from 3.1, now 10, the value of 3.2, value of 3.2 is 3.2 10.24. The value of 3.2 square of 3.2 is 10.24. Now this is more than 10. Now this value is 3.2 square, and this is 3.1 is less than 10. Now here 10, this is 10.24, and the value of 3.1 is 9.61. Now we have checked that which number is nearer to the 10. Which number is nearer to the 10? Nearer to the 10, here 10.00, 9.61, 0.39, here 10.24, 24, means this is less, means 10.24 is nearer to the 10. So square root of 10, this is nearer to 10, means 10.24 is nearer to 10. So square root of 10, square root of 10, square root of 10 will be equal to the 10.24 is square of 3.2. So 10 square root of 10 is nearer to 3.2. So square root of 10, 3.2 approx. Approx value is 3.2. Now see one more example related to estimation method. Find the square root of 410. Find the square root of 410 by the estimation method. Square root of 410 by estimation method. Now first write down the perfect square number which are lie between 410 nearest to the 10. Perfect square number near to 410 are 400, and second will be 441 and 441. 400 is the square of 20, 441 is the square of 21. So first step is 410 is greater than 400 and less than 441. Now write down the square. 410 is greater than square of 20 but less than square of 21. Here we increase 20 and decrease 21. So 410 increase 20 means 20.1. What value of 20.1? Its value become 402.01. Now here 20 decrease 21. Now says 20.5. The value of 20.5 means square of 20.5. This value become 420.25. So this value is 20.1 square and less than 20.5 square. Now again 410 increase from 20.1. suppose that 20.2. next is 20.2. now value of 20.2 its square become 408.04. means this is less than 410, means 20.2 square. Now 20.3 square of 20.3 square of 20.3. this value become 412.09. this is more than 410, means that is 20.3 square. Now 20.2 400, this value is 408.04. 410 and less than 412.09. now check which number is nearer to the 410. 408 or 412. now make subtraction. 410 0 and 408.04. this value is 1.96. now 412.09. now subtract 410. its value is equal to 2.09. so which number is nearer? 408.04 is nearer to the 410. so square root of 410 means 410 is nearer to 408.04 than 412.09. so square root of 410 is equal to the 20.2. now approx 20.2 approx. Okay, thank you today.